How to remove external accounts from Keybank. To remove external accounts from your Keybank online banking, follow these steps. Log into your Keybank account on the website using your credentials to access your online banking dashboard. Once logged in, find and click the Transfers section located in the main navigation menu of your account. In the Transfer section, locate and click on External Accounts or Manage External Accounts option. Review the list of your linked external accounts, and find the one you want to remove or disconnect from your Keybank account. Click on the Delete or Remove button next to the external account you wish to disconnect from your Keybank account. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to remove the external account from your list. Confirm the removal by following any prompts or instructions to finalize the removal of the external account from Keybank. Thanks for watching.